Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome to another exciting journey where we explore the hidden gems of our beautiful planet. Today, we're whisking ourselves away to Central Asia, a land brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. This region, often overlooked by many travelers, holds a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Get ready to be captivated by the stunning scenery of Uzbekistan, a country that feels like a page ripped straight from the pages of a fairy tale. With its rich tapestry of history and culture, Uzbekistan offers a unique blend of the ancient and the modern. Uzbekistan is a landlocked nation where ancient cities rise from the desert sands, their turquoise domes shimmering under the sun. These cities, with their intricate architecture and historical significance, tell stories of a bygone era. Imagine vibrant bazaars overflowing with spices and silks, the aroma of freshly baked bread filling the air, and the sound of traditional music echoing through ancient squares. These markets are not just places to shop, but are cultural hubs where the heart of Uzbekistan beats. From the majestic minarets of Samarkand, which stand as a testament to the architectural prowess of ancient craftsmen, to the serene oasis cities of Bukhara, where time seems to stand still, and every corner whispers tales of the Silk Road and Khiva. With its fortified walls and picturesque views, Uzbekistan is a feast for the senses. Each city offers a unique glimpse into the country's rich heritage and vibrant culture. But it's not just about man-made wonders. The country also boasts a diverse landscape. From the rugged mountains to the vast deserts, Uzbekistan's natural beauty is as captivating as its historical landmarks. So, pack your sense of adventure and join me as we embark on a virtual journey to discover the most scenic spots in this captivating corner of the world. Whether you're an avid history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a new adventure, Uzbekistan has something to offer. Get ready to be amazed. As we traverse through this land of beauty, you'll find yourself enchanted by its charm and allure. So let's dive in and explore the wonders of Uzbekistan together. Our first stop takes us to Samarkand, a city steeped in over 2,000 years of history. This ancient city, located in modern-day Uzbekistan, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the passage of countless travelers. Samarkand was once a major crossroads on the ancient Silk Road, a bustling hub where merchants from east and west converged, exchanging goods, stories, and ideas. Imagine the vibrant scenes of traders bartering silk, spices, and precious stones, their voices mingling in a symphony of languages. The heart of Samarkand is Registan Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a testament to the city's glorious past. This square has been the center of public life for centuries, a place where people gathered for royal proclamations, festivals, and markets. Picture 3 magnificent madrasas, or Islamic schools, adorned with intricate tilework, calligraphy, and towering minarets that seem to touch the sky. Each madrasa tells a story of architectural brilliance and the quest for knowledge. Imagine yourself standing in the center of Registan Square, the sun setting behind the majestic facades, casting long shadows across the ancient bricks. The golden hues of the sunset enhance the beauty of the tilework, making the entire square glow with a magical light. The air is alive with the murmur of history, whispering tales of scholars, emperors, and the caravans that once traversed these very streets. You can almost hear the footsteps of those who walked here centuries ago, their presence still felt in the stones beneath your feet. Samarkand is more than just stunning architecture, it's a sensory experience. The city's vibrant culture is reflected in its lively streets, where traditional music and dance performances bring the rich heritage of Uzbekistan to life. Wander through the bustling Siab Bazaar, a kaleidoscope of colors, aromas, and sounds. The market is a feast for the senses, with vendors calling out their wares, the scent of fresh produce and spices filling the air, and the vibrant colors of textiles and ceramics catching your eye. Here you can find everything from traditional Uzbek fabrics and ceramics to spices that will tantalize your taste buds. The bazaar is a microcosm of Samarkand's rich cultural tapestry, offering a glimpse into the daily life and traditions of its people. As you explore the market, you'll discover the warmth and hospitality of the locals, eager to share their stories and traditions with visitors. From the intricate patterns of hand-woven fabrics to the aromatic spices that define Uzbek cuisine, every corner of the bazaar tells a story of craftsmanship and heritage. So, take your time to soak in the atmosphere, sample the local delicacies, and perhaps even take home a piece of Samarkand's charm with you. Next, we journey to Bukhara, another jewel in Uzbekistan's crown. Known as the Noble City, Bukhara is an enchanting labyrinth of narrow, winding alleys, ancient mosques, and hidden courtyards. As you wander through the old city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll feel the weight of centuries gone by. Imagine yourself transported back in time, the air thick with the scent of spices and the sound of merchants hawking their wares. One of Bukhara's most iconic landmarks is the Kalyan Minaret, a towering structure that has stood tall for over 9 centuries. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the city and the surrounding desert landscape. Don't miss the Poi Kalyan complex, an architectural masterpiece that includes the Kalyan Minaret, the Kalyan Mosque, and the Mirai Arab Madrasa. The intricate tilework and soaring arches are a testament to the skill and artistry of the ancient builders. Section 4, Fergana Valley, a tapestry of nature's bounty. Leaving behind the desert cities, we venture to the Fergana Valley, a fertile oasis nestled between the Tian Shan and Gisar mountain ranges. This region is often referred to as the breadbasket of Uzbekistan, thanks to its rich soil and favorable climate. The valley stretches out like a lush green carpet, a stark contrast to the arid landscapes we've explored so far. This valley is a verdant tapestry of cotton fields, fruit orchards, and vineyards. The cotton fields, in particular, are a sight to behold, stretching as far as the eye can see. The orchards are laden with fruits like apples, apricots, and pomegranates, while the vineyards produce some of the finest grapes in the region. The abundance of natural resources here is truly remarkable. Imagine yourself driving through the valley, the air filled with the scent of blossoming trees and the sound of birdsong. The roads wind through picturesque landscapes, offering breathtaking views at every turn. The vibrant colors of the flowers and the lush greenery create a serene and peaceful atmosphere, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Fergana Valley is a haven for nature lovers, offering stunning views of snow-capped peaks and opportunities for hiking and trekking. The mountains that surround the valley provide a dramatic backdrop, and the trails that wind through them offer a chance to explore the natural beauty of the region up close. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a leisurely walk, there's something for everyone here. Visit the ancient city of Kokand, once a major stop on the Silk Road, and explore its impressive palace complex. The city is steeped in history, with its roots dating back to the 10th century. The palace complex, with its intricate architecture and beautiful gardens, is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. As you wander through the streets of Kokand, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Discover the traditional crafts of the region, such as silk weaving and ceramics, and experience the warm hospitality of the local people. The artisans here have been perfecting their crafts for generations, and their skills are truly remarkable. Watching them at work is a fascinating experience, and you'll have the opportunity to purchase some of their beautiful creations as souvenirs. For a truly immersive experience, stay in a traditional guest house in one of the valley's many villages. These guest houses offer a unique glimpse into the daily lives of the local people, and you'll have the chance to participate in activities like cooking, farming, and even traditional music and dance. The hospitality of the Uzbek people is legendary, and you'll feel like part of the family during your stay. Enjoy home-cooked meals made with fresh local ingredients, and learn about the customs and traditions of the Uzbek people. The cuisine here is a delightful blend of flavors and textures, with dishes like plov, shashlik, and samsa that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Sharing a meal with the locals is a wonderful way to connect with them and gain a deeper understanding of their culture and way of life. Section 5. Exploring ancient Khiva, a city frozen in time. Our next adventure takes us to Khiva, a city that feels like a living museum. Located in the Khorasan region, Khiva was once an important trading post on the Silk Road and a center of Islamic learning. Step through the ancient city walls, and you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time. Khiva's well-preserved old town, Ichan Kala, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a remarkable example of Central Asian architecture. Imagine yourself wandering through the narrow, winding streets, lined with mud brick houses and towering minarets. The air is filled with the scent of spices and the sound of traditional Uzbek music. Visit the Kunya Ark Fortress, once the residence of Khiva's rulers, and climb to the top of the Islam Khoja minaret for panoramic views of the city. Be sure to explore the Juma Mosque, known for its impressive forest of 218 wooden columns, each one unique.